greetings, my boys and girls. Welcome back to another y'all and nah. Sorry, my brain is not working today. Please like and subscribe right after the video, and let's get into it. We are doing fidget spinners, but clickers, or these. And here's the first product. So it has these little woolly things on it. There, it's also very cool. It's a good click. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it is very good. The only problem that I just, it's not the part itself that I sometimes my skin gets caught of these, and sometimes it hurts. So yeah. The next one we have a little honeycomb. Very cute, and the detail of it is very also cool because it looks like it fills up of the bees when they're like over honey thing. So that's cool. So cool. Here are a couple of clicks of it, which is a very yacht because it's good click. The only problem I have of it is sometimes it is very good to, it's very hard to really, I don't want to say move around, but get it started. So, but now next one we have a smaller fidget, which is really cool. In some area, it's the cracker part of it, like this, really feel like a cracker. Like a cracker that is just on a s'more and everything. And it is a very good like click, like it won't fly off the handle of your hand. It's so big, but yet it's still small enough you can move around and fidgeting. And what a gummy bear. And gummy bear fidget, which is, I got the color orange because why not? It's a good color, and I thought orange is a good color. I don't know. This is sort of a mix of a yeah and a yeah, because it is a fun fidgeting, but it's very hard to sort of move around sort of one hand if you're not used to something so big. But it's still very cute and fun to maybe keep around and saying fidgeting a little bit. Now, one of my favorite clickers, and yes, I will I'm calling them that because I don't know what else to call them. Is an Oreo, and the funny part of this, the outside part really feel like a Oreo cookie, and that is the most really cool part about it. And then the second cool part that is it's actually a 3-part Fidget one, and I love that because in some cookie you can actually take out the frosting by yourself and just eat the frosting, which I don't know if you do anyone do that or not, but sometimes I do. I don't eat the whole cookie, a whole Oreo. So yeah, this is a really cool one, and it is really have that simplicity of you can just do it one hand and just moving around, but yet still have that big enough that it's not a cookie, but it's still a beautiful item. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. There's only 5 things, but hey, I'm not a business, but I'm sure I'm a little bit of a collector. So, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.